Alright, next we have to add product component. In the components folder, add a file called product component camel case .jsx. Okay, let's close this. Let's type the shortcode IMRC, short for import react component. Press tab. Okay. CC, short for create class. Press tab. Okay. Here we have multi-cursor editor. So what we type, which is reflected in both places. Let's give this component a name. So product with capital P. Now to stop multi-cursor, press escape button. Okay. Product class that extends component class be imported on the top from the React module. This is auto-generated state property. In this video, we don't care about this. Look at this later in this section. Okay, let's return JSX. In return statement, h1 tag. h1 tag added. Component. Alright, back to the result page. We need to show our product component right here. Let's import product component in app component. On app.js, import product component. What we export here, that we need to import same name. Let's add a product component. Sorry, capital letter product, same name. We must use this closing tag. Immediately you see the compilation error. JSX expression must have one parent element. So add one div here. Div closing div. So compilation error gone. Discuss this compilation error in next video. Changes. See, prettier extension formatted our code. Okay, we imported our product component and also we added here. Let's see the result page. Nice.